Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarah Elizabeth. If you haven't seen my goals and habits video that I just posted, go ahead and watch those because those will give you some inspiration for some goals and habits you want to implement. But this video is all about daily affirmations, and I'm gonna go ahead and make a poster and do a little DIY, make it all cute so I can hang it up on my wall somewhere and actually say them every day, because if I write them in a journal, I'll definitely forget about them and never turn back to them. But if I make it look cute and put it on my wall so I remember to say the daily affirmations, I think it'll be way more successful. So come along with me while I make my daily affirmations poster. If you want to, go ahead and grab some paper, it doesn't matter what kind, and some markers or crayons, whatever, just to write on it, and maybe your phone to look at Pinterest. So let's get started. Okay, first, if you don't know what a daily affirmations board is, it's just writing things down that you're gonna say every day, kind of like speak into existence, remind yourself. But for me, I struggle with like anxiety and overthinking and comparing myself to other people or procrastinating, stuff like that. And I feel like if I keep it in my mind and like say it to myself every morning that like I'm beautiful or like don't procrastinate, then like that will help me a lot. So that's kind of what a daily affirmations board is. I actually saw Summer McKean, I think it was Summer, posted on her Instagram story the cutest daily affirmation board, which is where I got the inspo from. But it's actually funny because I was on Pinterest last night just like looking at random stuff, and I saw her inspiration for the board right here. So that's kind of like what we're going for. Maybe like cute little pictures or phrases, stuff like that. And I'm going for, again, like a pink warm color vibe. And then what is the importance of a daily affirmation board? That again just like kind of keeps you focused and keeps you remembering that everything's okay, keeps you like in check. And of course everyone is different, so everyone's daily affirmation board is going to be different depending on like what they need to remind themselves or stuff like that. Let's just get started. I actually am gonna search on Pinterest a little bit just to find some more inspiration for ideas. There's some good ones on here, like everything will get done, my friends like me for who I am, I have a great butt, I have time to do things I love, I am so loved, stuff like that. I just think it's a very positive thing to make. Okay, some other inspo. I love being me, I get better every day. I kind of want some more like specific though, like I'm creating the life of my dreams. Okay, I like that. Oh, I'm new to this. Oh my god. I will be the first millionaire in my family. Should I do that one? Wait. Affirmations for self-acceptance. I am worth loving. Body love affirmations. I need this one. I am more than my body. I honor my body as a sacred temple. That's a little weird. Okay, so I found some that I like and some that I wanted to tailor to me, and I just wrote them down on Notability. I've been writing a lot on there, it keeps them organized. So the ones I have are: I am beautiful, today is amazing, I am smart, I am creative, I'm grateful for where I'm at in life, I am outgoing, I will not overthink today, like not overthink today. I am important, I am loved by my friends and family, my ideas and opinions matter, I am allowed to be loud, it's okay to ask for help, I will not procrastinate today, and I am grateful for my friends and family. I had more that I could put on there, but I feel like if I actually want to say these every morning, I should keep it like small, concise, and maybe add more if I'm consistent. But I feel like the smaller it is, the more likely you're gonna have time to actually say it every day. So yeah, now I'm just gonna take a page from this notebook thingy, and now I'm just gonna show me drawing it. So if you wanna join in on your own, then go crazy. doing? Yeah, so it's a week later and I'm in a different location, but it's okay. I ended up finishing this last week, and I think it turned out pretty freaking good, to say the least. And here's everything I put. I just made a little picture to go with it. I don't know, just little things like I love my body. I made like a body. I'll not procrastinate. I put like a time thing. Today's amazing. I put a bike and a sun because those are my favorite days. I'm becoming the best version of myself. I kind of like that one. I'm creative. I put like some writing and camera and paint stuff. But yeah, this is just how it turned out. Huge fan. I'll let you know later down the road if I actually end up saying these every single day. I feel like every single day is a stretch, but you know, I'll try my best and we'll see. But I'll show you where I hang it up, and it's gonna be in a place where I can see it every day. But here's a little overview of where I put it. So here's my bed, whatever, and then there's my door. So I obviously am gonna see this every single day and be reminded by it. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed making a little DIY daily affirmations poster with me. I hope this inspired you or got you in the like crafty mood. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That would help so much. And I'll see you in my next video.